I'm Jackie Vaux, wildlife artist. Welcome to my studio. Today I'm showing you the completed bugling bull elk painting, which I finished yesterday, and it'll soon go to the framers and then it will be for sale. What I did to finish the painting was emphasize the shadows alongside the trees, all of the trees. I worked a little more on the antlers. I emphasized the backlit aspect of the elk along the top of his body and under his neck, and I also softened the shadows on the snow from the trees on the hillside. The elk is bugling. You can tell by the fog coming out of his nose and mouth, and he's trying to make contact with other elk, and hopefully he'll be successful. So that completes this painting, and I'll be working on another one very soon, so stay tuned. You can check this painting out on my website at JackieVauxArt.com. Thank you.